It's almost impossible to get good aerial video of Neuschwanstein. Flying above the castle grounds is forbidden by the owners. The area behind is a nature reserve, and getting up as high from the nearby fields is not possible within the 120-meter limits. If you want to experience this beautiful place from above, there is an amazing alternative. Located right at the gondola station of the Tegelbergbahn is Flugschule Tegelberg, or Flying School Tegelberg. The school offers tandem flights over the area. We were lucky enough to get a flight directly when arriving. A huge shout out to our pilots here. They kept us safe, and the entire time of the flight was just enjoyable. The two guys we met were incredibly kind, and we really enjoyed the flight. So, if you want to experience Neuschwanstein from above, taking a flight from the flight school is one of your best opportunities. Thank you so much for joining, and if you want to support our channel, give this video a like to support us with the algorithm.